evening, and welcome to a brand new edition Triple Chips Down the Hatch 2. Where this week we're going to be doing a series of 5 different pizzas. And this will be our Pizza Week series. So which one we're going to be starting off with? The first one is going to be Dr. Oetker, Casa di Maya. So give you some background on these guys. They've been cooking for the last 129 years, producing, I don't know if they've been producing these pizzas, but the company itself's been around that long. They started off in 1891. So the one we're going to be cooking tonight is going to be the pizza bacon. It's got bacon, red onions, green onions. That's what we're dealing with there. It's 405 grams. So we're going to have to set our time to 480 degrees or 250 Celsius. So this one's in Fahrenheit, as we can see there. So we're going to take that up to, let's see, just hold on it there. We got to take that to 40. Whoa, too much. Back it down. Okay, so we're going to start that at 480. And then the next thing we're going to do, I've already got the parchment paper out. Really planning this time, so I got the parchment paper out. We're going to put the pizza on top there. And we're going to bake it for 12 to 14 minutes. So we're just going to get that pizza out of that box. There's our nutritional facts if you want to see them. It's got 200 calories, and so on and so forth. So let's leave it on there for a while so you can see that. So the one we have is the bacon pizza. So let's throw that on there, because I'm a little hungry. Oh, and the other thing I noticed too, it says your serving size is 101 grams, so that means this would be like if you cut this pizza basically into 4 or so. Well, probably I'll cut it into 6. I like eating smaller slices, it's just a lot easier to hold. So let's get to doing that. Trying to open the box one-handed here. A little bit tricky. There we go. Slide it out of there. Okay, and that's what it looks like. You see some bacon and onions. It'll look better once it's cooked. Oh, I didn't notice that. I only have to use this parchment paper. It says when you remove the pizza from packaging, there's a parchment paper already on it, so just make sure you just get rid of the cardboard, it says. So we're just going to save this piece. And we'll just use the one that's on there. So let's get this out of there. No, I'm just knocking back some water. A little thirsty. So, just going to set you guys down so I can probably take your 2 hands to remove this. Take that out of the plastic. Our oven still has to go 330 degrees. 330 more, so it's slowly getting there. So it's easy to tear off some hands. There we get the plastic off. Just shove that back in the box. Okay, so when you lift this, you can see the paper's on there. So you just simply slide that cardboard out, and that's garbage. But there is a parchment paper on the bottom, so you do not need extra parchment. It just creates a non-stick surface. If you guys want, there's a cheap Frisbee you can throw around the yard or whatever. Now that the social distancing's kind of open up more at home, you can be out with your family and stuff. Just try to maintain your distance. When you go uptown and stuff, shopping, whatever things you have to do, picking up the mail, getting gas. But this would make a cheap Frisbee for around home. Whew. just going to put it over here for now. So that's what we're dealing with. You just got to simply let that temperature get up to what old Pizzeria Dr. Oetker Casa Dia Mel. How do you say that? Casa di Maya. Casa di Maya. Casa di Maya. Homemade pizza. Tastes just like Mama used to make. This unique expression of traditionally full flavor taste that pizza lovers hunger for. Oh, you hunger for it. Casa di Maya is a unique thin crust pizza with a raising edge. So this is going to simply raise up. It's topped with delicious blend of mouth-watering. Those look pretty delicious. And that's just a little spill that they have here. I was just reading that. Makes you hungry. That's based out in Mississauga, Ontario. Oh, it's prepared for Dr. Oetker. So I don't know, maybe these are shipped there or something. Well, we'll see how good Casa de Mama is. Not a really big pizza, but should do the trick. So we just gotta wait a few more minutes. I'll be throwing that in. Well, if you guys don't want to see any spoilers, just maybe fast forward about 30 seconds or so. Gonna do a new little thing in these vlogs here, where I'll be showing you a little sneak peek of what we're gonna do on the next episode of TripleChip's Down the Hatch 2. So what we're gonna be focusing on in the next vlog is, I won't give you a bunch about it, but it's gonna be the Delissio. I've never had these before. Crispy pan pizza. And that one's quite a bit bigger. That's like 200 grams bigger almost. And that's just a little sneak peek there for you. Featured on the next episode of TripleChip's Down the Hatch 2. So stay tuned for that one. You guys might like that one. I'm going to like it because that's something new. So getting back to the task at hand. We got another 100 degrees to go. But we'll set that timer. We'll set the timer for a couple minutes more because it's probably going to take 2 minutes for that to hit. Or no, we got a ways to go. It's got to hit 480. I thought it's 380, no, 480. So let's not set that timer just yet. I'll just catch you guys in minutes when the temperature's getting closer. Okay, so we're back. We finally hit the 480 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to stick this in there for, it says, for 12 to 14 minutes. So let's set that. I'll put it for 13. Start that. Fan's going. Since I'm putting it in, it's ice cold. Cold start on and off on the meal. So we'll just use the glove when we go to take it out after. We'll just throw it in the oven there. Keep you guys back a little bit because it's really hot. Here we got it going in. And we'll join you right back in YouTube land, 12 to 14 minutes. Just goes just like that. So I'll meet you back when it's time to move the pizza, get her cut up, do some sampling. Catch you soon. Well, we're back now. The timer's gone off. And I better take it out because it really smells good. We're just going to shut the oven off. Open up the ventilator for a second. I'll just throw in an oven glove here. Okay. There we go. So that was done. They said do it for 12 to 14 minutes. That was actually 15 minutes, so I'll shut the oven here. It's going to be extremely hot, so I'm just going to gently lift it up a little bit. Whoa, that's really hot. Better grab a holder. I'm just going to sit you guys down because I can't do this with one hand. See how this pizza is. It feels like it's done. Oh yeah, she's crispy. We're just gonna let that cool for a couple seconds, then we're gonna cut this. Okay, it's been a couple seconds. We're gonna cut this now. We got our really nice KitchenAid cutter here. These gloves are clean, so. How the bottom looks. There's a view at the top. Getting a bit of pizza on the glove here. Let's do that then. Don't want to burn my hands, so that's what I'm going to glove this thing. When they're saying you had 220 calories per 101 grams, so essentially this would only be about 110 calories then, because that's half a quarter slice. So a couple more cuts here, she'll be done. Look at that. I got it in my hands. Look at that gooey goodness on there. That smells really good. So, this is what we're dealing with. I'm going to try a piece anyhow. It's really hungry. It's probably going to be super hot though. But check that out, guys. Got your onions on there. It's not, didn't get burnt. Probably gonna be nice and crunchy. So as they say, down the hatch. This is gonna be hot. Got a very nice crunch to it. And you can get these at, I think I bought this at, turn the pan on here. I think I bought these at No Frills, but you can get these at any grocery store out there. Very delicious. So most of the time you get these for, I think as low as $3.99. Most of the time I think about $4.99. They're not usually that expensive, but I think regular price is, I'll have to put the numbers and stuff on the screen, but wouldn't doubt it, they're about $7.99, especially in smaller communities. So good. I don't have a stuffed crust. I don't have a stuffed crust or none, but I'll try a piece of crust. That is tasty pizza. So that was the Casa de Maya bacon variety. They also come in 3 meat, pepperoni, extra cheese. What else got here? Hawaiian, deluxe, and pulled pork. So you got like 6 other varieties. So with this one, be 7 varieties. Let's have a couple more bites here. That piece I ate was about 110 calories. One final bite. I'll wash that down. Hope for just chewing. Nice ice cold. That's what we're dealing with there. It's got some nice ice cold water. It's just refreshing. So if you like what you've seen here today on this vlog of TripleChip's Down the Hatch 2, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Because I see enough people watch the videos, but you gotta be subscribing, because I need the subscribers too. I'm getting the views. They really spiked up, right? I got a few likes. But the thing that I'm really down on is the subscribers. So I need more people to subscribe, because I'm going to be putting out a multitude of these videos. And also, make sure to ring that bell notification button. That way notifications will just come up automatically on your cell phone, your tablet, your computer. I'll be watching the next episode. So until next time, happy eating. Vlog over. Well, enjoy what you've been watching. Why not watch some of my other vlogs? Just click on the link below. It'll be either on this side or this side. It'll be somewhere on the screen here. Just click on it, and it'll go into another episode of one of my videos. It could be Down the Hatch 2. It might be on Box to Box, or it might be TripleChip Adventure Vlog. All great quality content to watch. So if you're interested in another one, just click the link below. Till next time. See you later. Happy eating.